Hello developers. So in our last video, we have seen functions such as higher order function, recursive function, inline function, and suspend function. Now in this video, we will understand conditional statement. There are many conditional statements in Kotlin such as when, if else, for each loop, and so on. First, we will understand when conditional statement. Okay, so when you need to check multiple conditions, then we should go for when conditional statement. Here we will understand with the help of one example. I'll take one variable, well, day equal 5, and then here I want to check multiple conditions. First, I'll do this with the help of if else block. So here I am writing multiple if else block such as if day equal 1, then I'm printing Monday, else if day equal 2, then printing Tuesday. Okay, so here I have written all conditions. Day equal 1, then we are printing Monday. If day equal 2, then Tuesday. Day equal 3, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, else we are printing weekend. So here as we can see the value of day is 5, then it should print Friday. Okay, let's check output. So I'm launching application and here we can see output Friday. Great. But there is a one issue in this code. Here as we can see there are multiple if else. To avoid multiple if else, we should go for when statement. Now here I'm writing when conditional statement. When day, and here I can add all condition. 1, then printing Monday. 2, then printing Tuesday. 3, printing Wednesday. Okay, so I have written when condition here. When the value of day is 1, Monday. 2, Tuesday. 3, Wednesday. 4, Thursday. 5, Friday. Else we are printing weekend. Okay, so to check output I'm launching application again, and here we can see output Friday. Okay, there is no difference in output, but this code is looking very neat and clean. But here we have multiple if else block. So to avoid multiple if else block, we should go for when conditional statement. This when is a replacement of switch case in Java. Okay, perfect. So if you want to download source code, so what you can do, just visit my this GitHub repository Kotlin programming, and you can download source code from there. I'll paste this link in the description of video so you can download it, or you can ping me. I can share this code with you.